Hi everyone. Take your online business to the next level with the latest strategies in social media marketing. At TonyTech, we bring you everything you need to know about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and more. Subscribe now and join thousands of entrepreneurs who have already unlocked the power of social media marketing. Our top-notch tutorials and courses will give you the knowledge and confidence you need to run successful campaigns. Looking to take your business to the next level? TonyTech is here to help. Our comprehensive courses will teach you everything you need to know about social media marketing. From setting up campaigns and running Facebook ads to creating content for Instagram and mastering influencer marketing. We'll show you how to make money online and maximize your ROI. Subscribe now and join our growing community of online entrepreneurs who are making their dreams a reality. Tired of wasting time and money trying to learn the ins and outs of social media marketing? Get ahead of the game with TonyTech. We provide engaging resources and courses on the latest social media marketing strategies, so you can stay up to date on all the latest news, trends, and best practices. Our content helps you learn how to maximize your ROI with Facebook